Hello students, welcome to Solve classes. Today we'll be solving the ISI Msqe question paper of year 2017. Today we'll be solving question number 21 and question number 22 from the ISI Msqe paper. So let's start with question number 21. In question number 21 it is said that for any two functions f1 which goes from 0 to 1 to r and f2 which goes from 0 to 1 to r, defines the function g which goes from 0 to 1 to r as g of x is equal to max of f1x comma f2x for all x which belongs to the closed interval 0 comma 1. In that case, the option 1 is if f1 and f2 are linear, then g is linear. If f1 and f2 are differentiable, then d is differentiable. If f1 and f2 are convex, then g is also convex, or dial of the above. This is what we have got. So what we'll do over here is, we have been given that f of 1 goes from 0 to 1 to the real number set. Similarly, f of 2 goes from 0 to 1 to the real number set, and g of the function g is defined as going from 0 to 1 to the real number set, and g of x is equal to max of f1x f2x. Now if f1 and f2 are convex, so that means that at any x f1 double dash x is greater than 0 and f2 double dash x is also greater than 0. This is the condition for f1 and f2 being convex. So this implies that then we can write that g double dash x, which will be equal to max of f1 double dash x comma f2 double dash x. This entire thing will be greater than 0, since f dash x and f1 double dash x and f2 double dash x are both greater than 0, so g double dash x is also greater than 0. So this will imply that g of x is convex, which is the option C. So the option C is the correct option over here. Now let's move on to the next question. The next question is question number 22. In question number 22 it is said that if f be a function which goes from r to r and is defined by f of x is equal to x cube minus 3x for all x belongs to r, in that case we need to find out the maximum value of fx on the set of real numbers x which satisfy the inequality x to the power 4 plus 36 is less than equal to 13 of x square. So basically we first need to find out the values of x which satisfy this equation, this structure, this inequation, and on the basis of those values of x we need to find out the maximum value of fx in that range of x. So first we have to find out the values of x which satisfy this structure. X to the power 4 plus 36 is less than equal to 13 of x square. So this we can write down as x to the power 4 minus 13x square plus 36 is less than equal to 0. This implies that x to the power 4 minus 9x square, now we'll break it down, we'll try to factorize it, minus 4x square plus 36 is less than equal to 0. This will imply that x square minus 9 into x square minus 4 is less than equal to 0. This will imply that x plus 3 into x plus 2 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 is less than equal to 0. So now if we plot it on a number line, this will come down as minus 3, minus of 2, 2 and 3. So this will be plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. So as you can see that the product will be negative or negative when x belongs to the closed interval minus 3 to minus 2 union 2 to 3. So this is the range of values which satisfy this very structure. Okay, so we'll find out the values of f of x at these extreme values. We'll find out the values of f of x. So we'll find out f of minus 3, f of minus 2, f of 2 and f of 3. Now f of minus 3 is given by minus 3 cube minus 3 into minus 3. So minus 3 cube is minus 27, minus 27 plus 9 will be equal to minus of 18. Minus f of minus 2 will be given by minus 2 whole cube minus 3 into minus 2. So minus 2 whole cube is minus 8, minus 2 plus 6 will be equal to minus 8 plus 6 will be equal to plus minus of 2. Okay, now f of 2 will be given by 2 cube minus 3 into 2. This will be 8 minus 6, it will be equal to 2. And f of 3 will be given by 3 cube minus 3 into 3, that is 27 minus 9, that will be equal to 18. So fx max required will be equal to 18, which is the option A. So today we have solved question number 21 and 22 from the ISI Msqe question paper of year 2017. We'll be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Softwares Classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.